to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. I'm also not a financial advisor. Everything in my video is my opinion and is for educational purposes only. In this channel, we'll be looking at disruptive companies in order to unlock exponential gains. Disruptive companies are companies that solve a problem in a creative way. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Also, YouTube has just unlocked the membership tab, and I'm in the middle of designing really cool emojis and badges. These badges will be attached to your name, and they'll evolve the longer you are with the channel. So the button to join is right next to the subscribe button. Consider joining, and so that we can have more conversations offline. I look forward to it. Thank you very much for your support. If this is your first time in the channel and liking what you're hearing so far, please consider hitting that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. If any of you are new to OTC penny stocks trading, consider using my link to open an account with Charles Schwab. If you use my link, then you're supporting my channel while getting free money. I also use Webull because they allow me to trade before and after market, and you get free stocks. Thank you very much for your support so far. Without further ado, let's dig in. Okay, so today we'll be looking at a company that I think is very disruptive, and I think this company will go to $1 for sure. It may take a year and a half. It has everything that it needs, in my opinion, to get there. The company that we'll be discussing is InnerScope Hearing Technologies, Inc., trading under ticker symbol INND. Closed today at 0.029, so nearly 3 cents. It was down 10%, 10.09%. It's down 16% after hours. So for people who are interested in buying, this is a great opportunity to buy when it is red. And if you look at the 6-month graph, on February 9th, it went up as high as 7 cents, and then it dropped all the way down to 2 cents at the lowest on March 1st. And so it's been consolidating around the 2-3 cents. So looking at this company, it is a pink no information. It's delinquent SEC reporting. Today's trading volume was 137.8 million. The market cap is 179.5 million. Authorized shares is 14.98 billion. Outstanding shares 5.6 billion. And here the float is only 90.6. So this is a great float. This is definitely good for retail investors. And what's really great here is that of the unrestricted shares, nearly all of it, 4.814 billion shares, are held at DTC. This means that if you sign up for Charles Schwab and you use Charles Schwab to trade your OTC penny stocks, they're not going to be charging you an exorbitant amount of money. I know that some stocks, they don't have their shares held at DTC, so retail investors will have to pay sometimes $50 per transaction. And for penny stocks, that's a lot of money. So that's definitely something that I really like, that all of their unrestricted shares are held at DTC. They're also trading at OTCQB, which is better than OTC pink sheets. INND, InnerScope. So what is INND? InnerScope Hearing Technology essentially is a manufacturer of direct-to-consumers DTC distributor or / retailer of FDA registered hearing aids. They sell a ton of different hearing products. So again, they have an ecosystem full of hearing aid technology, hearing aid products, and other types of hearing aid related treatment therapies. They have hearing dietary supplements. I'm already loving this. I already mentioned that any companies that tries to build an ecosystem, that's definitely where you get your millions of gains. And so this company is definitely one of those. And what I really like about this company, and the reason why I think that it's going to $1, is because they're changing the way that it's done. Traditionally, you would have to go see an audiologist in order to get your hearing checked, and you get your hearing check depending on after you see your audiologist. But here you can see that this is direct to customer, bypassing that step. The recent news, so that you understand the kind of partnerships that they have and the kind of products that they're trying to launch. Okay, so I'm going to read to you a piece of news that came out yesterday. I think it's really big news. On March 10th, 2021. InnerScope Hearing Technology signs joint collaboration and reseller agreement with GTX Corp. So under the agreement, GTX will have a non-exclusive reseller license to offer for sale InnerScope's hearing aids devices and related hearing products and services through gtxcorp.com, GTX online store, Amazon, and through domestic and international distributors servicing customers in over 35 countries. Also, the agreement allows InnerScope to have a non-exclusive reseller license to offer for sale GTX's products and services through InnerScope's multiple retailer vendor agreements for the retailer's online sales portal and InnerScope's own online sales portal, nohasslehearing.com. The agreement gives both companies the ability to cross-promote certain products and services and increase public awareness and safety in the senior assisted, law enforcement, military, intelligence, academics, and private sector, both domestically and internationally, including both but not limited to the health and wellness sector. Additionally, InnerScope and GTX will collaborate on future projects that fit both mutual core competencies and secure new B2B and B2C distribution channels in both the government and private sectors. Remember, you guys, any kind of business, it's not going to give you a gazillion gains if it doesn't have business to business and business to consumer distribution. And here it is. InnerScope is gonna, this type of partnership is only gonna expand their B2B and B2C distribution channel. InnerScope will be launching its latest direct-to-consumer hearing aid technology with its smartphone, app-controlled self-fitting, self-adjusting rechargeable hearing aids on gtxcorp.com and GTX online store in the next week. Based on the gaining interest for its self-fitting hearing aids, InnerScope anticipates after the launch a high volume of sales from multiple online sales portals. More sales is only going to make this company go up, up, and up. So I'm very, very excited about this news. I do not understand why it went down 10, 11% today because it is in market correction mode. So I went onto their website and I wanted to see, is it that they're able to bypass the audiologist in order to go from direct to consumer, DTC. It's impossible because we need audiologists to assess our hearing imbalance, right? So this is how they did it. They have developed what they call a TITO hearing test. What is TITO? TITO is a hearing wellness test tool that tracks your hearing ability with pure tones and speech tests. The software is a pattern recognition classification system, and the generated audiometric report is delivered to you and to you only. The online pure tone hearing test is done within 2 to 5 minutes with classification results and a detailed hearing report emailed to you. Traditional hearing tests done in an office can take 30 to 4 minutes and you need an appointment. That's very true. I actually had a hard of hearing, so I'm very aware of this process. The TITO's classification is available at your convenience. The test will indicate the pattern and level of your hearing in a way that your doctor or audiologist can use. So here it is. They're going to be putting a lot of audiologists out of work. But I guess that is the reason why we invest in disruptive stocks. It's solving a problem in a creative way. And, this is definitely disrupting audiology industry. But why TITO? Because it's fast, it's private, and is at your convenience without any pressure. How does TITO work? TITO proprietary artificial intelligence engine was trained using many millions of verifiable tests using over 5 million possible data points per test. 5 million data point per test, that's pretty accurate. So looking at this company and looking at the product and the fact that they've got their product line, in addition to hearing aids, they've got dietary supplements, the entire ecosystem they are trying to build. So I think this is a very promising penny stock. I expect to see this out of Pennyland very soon after this correction is over. I mean, they did reach all the way up to 7 cents a month ago. They're definitely one of those promising penny stocks that I would consider adding to your watch list. I hope that today's information was very helpful to you. Comment below and let me know what your opinion is on this company. The next couple of days, I've got a few more videos of very, very great disruptive companies that I want to introduce to you. I myself am very excited about these companies as well. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching and talk to you soon.